Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can unlock the final reward in EA Sport FC Mobile 24. So you will get guaranteed reward 89 plus OVR Prime Icon Player. Before we start, I made this video is for beginner new into this game. Still confusing how you can challenge the event, how you can complete the quest so you can get ton of reward from this game. And let's get started by tap the play button, tap the live events, and tap the UEFA Champions League event. As you can see, there are four options here: main page, group stage, inform focus, legend club. Please tap the legend club, the last one. And this one, final reward, unlock after making 3 purchases in the gold store. So you can get this, the possible reward. You can get Xabi Alonso, Emilio Butragueno, David Beckham, and on Iker Casillas. This is a UCL group stage icon player, and the golden one is prime icon player. This is possible for you, possible rewards. But there are guaranteed reward here, contain 89 of your prime icon or UCL icon player. So one more time, you have to making 3 purchase in gold store. This one, the gold store, you have to making 3 purchases here. After that, the final reward will unlock. It will take your time. Please be patient. Keep playing this game every day. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.